Babordsgatan 8 in Sickla, Stockholm, Sweden. And Sickla is one of the best best place to film elevators in Stockholm. It has at least 120 elevators. It's very much for Stockholm. Because in Stockholm most of the elevators have been replaced and not most of the early 2000 elevators, but early 2000 buildings are here. So most buildings are from 50s to 70s and have their elevators replaced or modernized, mostly by generics. In 2002, 1024, 2526. Thirteen process of 1000 kilograms. Of course, I don't have time to film all elevators here, but at least one today and one in the last time. But let's see if I can get third or fourth one or something. Basically. Fifth floor. Inspected by his specific X variant, maintained by Kone. About 20% of these Sigma elevators have already been replaced. They were needless replacements. Okay, that's